procrastinate a lot of things.
Hello,
Just saying.
everybody. This is WJG's Mental here.
Oh, what the heck? You just started recording? What? Well, okay then. Intro, continue. Sorry.
Yep. We're back with some ETS2, and I'm going to be going from Växjö to Kristiansand over in Norway. And that's boring.
What? I want to buy a Steam game. What Steam game should I buy?
I don't know. It's up to you.
I want to know.
Whoa. Well, I've already been in all this stuff. I think I'm gonna take this oil tanker. Oh no, milk tanker, I guess.
Milk. I want some milk. I haven't had milk in since I was 3. Not really, since I was 8.
So I'm gonna take that job. Sorry if you guys can hear me eating. I just got some. My dad gave me some KFC.
Well, I had KFC today.
I had Wendy's today.
I'm gonna go eat some KFC. I'll be right back. Alright?
Mhm.
Alright. Continue talking.
Oh my god, I'm sorry, guys. Just need some little drink there. Alright. And we don't even have to drive anywhere because we're at the same place. So, that's good. This is actually the 5th episode. Really pre-recorded. The second one's not even up yet. So, yeah, fun. I have 3 videos to edit, and I'm probably going to have more too, because we just they probably might have came out yet, but survival series. So, you know, I'm probably gonna have to help edit and make thumbnails for that. I don't know about that though. He probably, yeah. And I don't know if I have to edit anything.
It's really
else.
stuffy in my room, but I can't hear you.
Okay.
Hello?
Hi.
It's really stuffy in my room.
I was talking about how much I'm going to have to edit after this.
Not necessarily after this. I mean, you can do it some other time, but...
Okay, I have to run this red light.
Why?
Because I'm blocking the road right now. I have to. I didn't get a fine for it. Oh, well.
Jinxed it.
No, I got stuck on a pole. Shut up. I can get myself out of this predicament, though. Shut up, cars. No one wants to hear it from you.
Yeah, shut it.
Shut up. Yeah.
Twitter. I've been tweeting a lot lately, but Aiden hasn't.
No, I need to start tweeting.
Aiden doesn't go on the Twitter, but I've been really Twitter boying over Casey Ellie and Michael's meetup thing.
Well, I need to follow her on Twitter.
Oh, you don't use the whatchamacallit?
What?
The We're Just Gamers Twitter?
No, not yet.
Oh, you should.
I don't even really use Twitter though.
You should. Excuse me.
Yeah, I have to start promoting my videos.
Well, wait, I don't promote videos on Twitter.
Okay, good. Food. Sorry.
Sorry, no, I stopped.
Thank you. No, shut up. I'm not really paying it.
You can talk now. I won't.
Yeah.
I'll stop.
Yeah. Okay. Oh! Shut up. Just shut up. Just...
Yo, there's a train simulator.
Yeah. There's how many train simulators, dude?
Whoa. That's cool.
You probably could get Flight Simulator if you wanted it.
I don't want a flight simulator.
Yeah, neither do I. I need to go get this truck repaired.
I want Euro Truck Simulator.
You do? Oh, well.
I could buy Lego Worlds.
I don't play it that much, though. But I want to.
What game do you play a lot?
Euro Truck.
I see, alright, I feel like I would have a lot of fun playing Euro Truck.
Oh, God.
I really do. Euro Truck Simulator, it's $22. Well,
Buy it.
23, and I have enough.
Buy it, dude. If you want to, buy it.
Wait, but will you help me get the multiplayer mod?
Yes.
You will?
Mm-hmm.
Because then we can do multiplayer stuff together, right?
I hope so. I hope I'm going to be able to record that.
That'd be cool. We could race our Euro Trucks, dude. Oh my god.
No, Will, no.
Why?
I take this stuff, like, I don't take it seriously, but I drive normally.
Yo, no, dude, this would be serious. We would go on a 2-lane highway and we would race our Euro Trucks.
People get banned for that.
What? Why?
Well, like, it's like a reckless driving thing. You have to, like, drive kind of, I mean, if it's
We wouldn't
empty,
be reckless.
we could, go on the American server. There's nobody on that server.
And then we would just race.
I guess, but
why? They wouldn't realize what we were doing. We would just be
We
speeding.
could have a 2-man convoy.
What's that?
You don't know what a convoy is?
No.
Like, they've had a lot of convoys on there. They have them a lot. If, like, you can get, other truckers and stuff, right? And then you drive in a group. So, like, there could be, like, 30, convoys, like, 30-person convoys out there driving, and then you can, on the European server.
I'm buying this. I'm buying it.
Well, okay, I want you to play single player for a little bit, alright?
Your thing just lagged a lot, but after you finish this episode, then we'll play, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
No, hey, Will.
I mean, I have to install it too, so it's gonna take like an hour or something.
Will.
Yeah.
I want you to play single player for a little bit.
Why? No, I'm gonna go straight into multiplayer.
No, you're not. I don't recommend that. At least,
I want to record this.
At least know what you're doing first.
I'm so confused what you just said.
Okay, at least know what you're doing when you're driving the truck.
Again, call quality is up the toilet.
Yeah.
What just happened?
Well, I have 42% done to my truck. %of damage done to my truck, so... Hello?
I'm here.
Well, you didn't say anything.
I was trying to sound enthusiastic, not mean about that. I was trying to be like, I'm here. But when I was chewing, so it made it difficult. We eat like in every video.
It's true.
I'm starting to think that I'm a foodaholic.
Dude, how about you look at me? You ain't nothing compared to me.
Listen,
I show food in my
I
face
eat
all
a
day.
lot,
Yeah, so do I.
but I just lose a lot.
Yeah, you have a fast metabolism.
Very.
No, I don't. Yeah. I'm probably like 20 pounds overweight, maybe. I don't know. Not that much overweight. Maybe like 115's a normal pound, like, weight for my age, but...
You're 115?
No, I'm 130.
Oh, that's pretty normal. You think, right? 13?
Dude, don't you weigh like 98 pounds?
What?
How much do you weigh?
I hear you.
How much do you weigh? Crap.
You were really like lagging around.
Yep.
Aiden?
Yeah. And a call's going down the toilet. So guys, this is what it's like on a normal basis for me, okay? Like, this is what I have to deal with every single night. Oh, come on. Yep, there it goes, guys. Don't you guys love bad internet? It's like so amazing. It's absolutely, oh my god, I can't get over how great it is. I hate it. I hate it. Nope, not there. Well, sorry about the chewing. Alright, hold on. Come on. Aww. Dang, dropped. Alright, guys. Let me do this ferry crossing, and then I'll be right back. Where the heck is A5? Alright, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna finish up the recording without him. He told me to. I always have issues like this. We're used to it, but... Hold on. Oh my god, no. Okay. You guys don't know what I'm dealing with. He played ETS2 while he was over my house, right? Because it was like the second time he came over, which it was like a year. Yeah. And I let him play this game, right? Now, I'm not the best at the game, and I never will be, of course. I'm barely even good. You guys saw I ran into the back of that coach bus. He wants to jump right into multiplayer, and he doesn't even know what, like, how to really drive and stuff. And it's just, he totaled the truck on my other profile. So it's just like, dude, take it slow. So it's gonna tell him this. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Sorry about this, guys. This is when we talk. will teach you. In multiplayer, then. Well, I'm not. Won't. I will. Well, I'll just tell him I still want you to take it slow. Because he was driving like 80 miles per hour, 90 down the highway, freeway, whatever they call it over there. I don't know. Yeah. Because when you first start out a profile, you have to take jobs from from companies, and they provide you with a truck. If you total that truck, you have to go to the service bit and like get it fixed, which oh no, I'm going. I'm not sitting on the hill. Nope. Sorry guys, I had to do that. I'm not sitting there on that hill. And then when it becomes green light, I'm just like, come on, move, drive faster, okay, get to the chopper. I don't know why I was saying that. I'm sorry. Food. Hold on. No, you can teach me in the server, can't you? That's what I mean. Sorry. I'm not paying attention. What's going on? Brakes. Nope. Alright. I don't think I'm gonna... Oh my god! Oh my god! Like, oh my god, guys. You know, I don't know why I make fun of white people when I'm white. And, like, my mom's white, she's German, Polish, they have a bunch of stuff. And then, yeah. I don't know what I'm talking about right now. But I look white, but I don't look white. Because I'm also Puerto Rican, so I have my dad's skin. You know what my dad tells me? Why is there so many roundabouts here? He goes, you got the Puerto Rican skin, but the white person attitude. And then I'm just like, okay. And my sister's the one that got the light skin, like my mom, and the Puerto Rican attitude. So, you know, kind of switched on us. Okay, my sister had her first year of high school, right? Last school year. And she had a Spanish class, right? And she got really good grades in her Spanish class. On the first day of school, when she went to that class and stuff, her teacher called her name, and she was looking at this, like, the Spanish group, because I'm not gonna say her last name, but because of her last name. And then she raised her hand, and the Spanish teacher looked at her just like, oh, okay, you know, but I'm not gonna say her last name, so, you know, put two and two together, and then look us up, yeah, no. I don't know why I'm talking like that, I don't know. Sorry if, this is a little boring. I don't normally do this stuff, but I'm just trying to find stuff to talk about, so. Oh, my neck! Oh my god. Ow. Alright, well, I'm pre-recording this a lot, so when you're watching this, this is probably going to be like last week or like last week and a half ago. I was swimming in the pool, right? So I didn't know there was a big round float above me, right? And it's like 65 inches long, so it is huge. It's bigger than me, of course, because I'm only 5'2". And like almost 5'2". I didn't know it was there, and I swam up, right? And like, this is what my mom said. She wasn't there, but like my neck hurt and I had to take some like Tylenol or ibuprofen, whatever. And she said I probably jolted my head on it because I hit my head on it really hard and I heard a crack in my neck, but I'm fine. I had to use a heating pad. I can't really look up too far. It kind of hurts. And then I could look, turn my head sideways. Whoa! And then, you know, some normal stuff. It used to be worse. If I didn't have a heating pad on it for a while, it started to stiffen back up and I couldn't really, you know, move around normally. But right now, it's a little better. So, you know, this was like yesterday? Yeah. So, you know. 2 hours left, so there's not much time left in the video. I really hope you guys are enjoying the series because the first episode went up like 2 days ago. This is the 5th episode. No, first episode went up like yesterday, or like 2 days, yesterday. Yesterday was Thursday. First episode of our channel went up on Wednesday. Yeah, yesterday. And it already has 5 views and a like. And it's like crazy. And I was like, how do we have those views? We don't. When I had my own channel, which me and Will tried having our own channel. Can you drive faster, please? I want to get this done. Peek around the corner. I can't pick up enough speed yet. It'll be okay. I'll make it there in time. Of course I will. And we had our own channels. It was Aftermatch TV, and then I had one to Willie. They don't need to look it up now. It's nothing now. He actually deleted the channel, he told me, and I was like, why did you delete it? Delete it, and he's just not going to use it again. He had like, views, I don't know if he had any subscribers or not. And once we get there, I'm going to repair my truck a little bit, because it's very damaged. I know Will's going to be like, oh, you said I was bad. He totaled the truck. It was his first time. He's buying the game. He does whatever he wants with his money. Can you drive faster, please? Thank you. Not really. He's driving the same speed as he was before. So, you know. I had 4 subscribers. 2 of them were Will, actually, because he had 2 of his channels subscribed by accident. And then one of them was a random person, and then one of them was my sister's boyfriend, I think. Yeah, pretty sure. But we already have 2 subscribers on the channel, and, well, we probably have maybe another one by now, but, like, this is, like, July 24th. And I hopefully will be getting Windows 10. I don't know if my new Wi-Fi adapter is going to be compatible with Windows 10. I hope it is. I really hope it is. Because we literally just got it today because my other one broke. My computer fell off my desk and it broke the Wi-Fi adapter. And I was losing connection here and there, and me and Will weren't really able to talk like that, so I asked my dad if he could get me a new one. He got me a new one, and it's a pretty good one, so. But this is just no. What the fudge? They gotta put warnings. I don't think I'm paying attention, but they gotta put warnings up, dude. Like, come on. Alright. We're almost done. Not really. We have like an hour left. But I love this game. This game is like my favorite game. Now Will really wants to play it. So if you guys don't know, this game came out a while ago, and I I'm really anticipating ATS, which is American Truck Simulator. I really hope that it has the area of America that I live in, because then I'm gonna be putting my one of my garages in there somewhere. You guys won't really know. So yeah, I really hope America's big. So like it took a while for them to get where they are now with ETS, like a while. Cause this is ETS 2. There was an ETS 1 before this that didn't have really good graphics because it was older. So guys, don't do this when you're actually driving. Don't like go speeding by. Follow the speed limit. I do not condone speeding or drunk driving. Don't do that. It's really bad. I don't like hearing about stuff like that. Like you hear about on the news. Like I used to watch the news every day because my mom had it on the TV when I woke up to go to school and stuff. And you'd hear about all of this bad stuff. And then you're sitting there like, oh my god, I can't believe like what's going on in America and even outside of America, because, well, I don't know why I'm saying even outside of America. Outside of America in other countries, in third world countries, it's pretty bad. Like, I think right now, Greece is having issues, like money issues. And it's just like, you know, it's like sad to see that kind of stuff. Well, terrorism, that's a whole other matter right there. Don't do terrorism. It's not right. Alright, I'm not gonna talk about it, but like, okay. But like, you know, third world country, when you go look at a third world country compared to ours, it's a huge difference. And then you're just, and like Africa and stuff like that, we help them as much as we can, but I don't like, there's still so many starving people over there that it's just like, I'm surprised that I mean, there's starving people all around the world, but like, it's just sad to see that kind of stuff. So I'm really kind of glad that I don't watch the news anymore, like, for these 2 months. And you know what, it's so weird, because near the end of like the school year, right, I was like staying up maybe until like 10:30, 11, and then like, I'm staying up past 11 right now, but like, because I can do that. Couldn't slow down. But like, when you think like, my alarm wouldn't wake me up, so my mom had to come wake me up, and it was just like, I have an alarm set now to 8:30 in the morning, so I can get my chores done early, and be able to do anything I want later on in the day. No, I sleep through my alarm. And it's like, you know, oh, come on. I have to move this plate out of the way. Put it over here. It's not food. I swear, most of the times I record ETS or something else, I have food. It's so weird. It's not normal, guys. It's not normal. If I tried going on a diet, I wouldn't last an hour. Nah, I probably would, but like, you know what I'd like to see them add? Trucks parking themselves. So you'd come in here, right, and then you'd go to park your truck, and then another truck, and then you just like, oh, and you have to maneuver around it. That would be cool. That would be a lot of cool stuff. PS2 multiplayer, it's a little different. There's no AI in multiplayer because that would be a lot of lag. Can't really do that, and I can't even really do that myself because of, you know, lag and stuff. I get lag when I play multiplayer, but like I can't record it. Ooh, so close. So close. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to go repair my truck to at least down to like 20 or something. I'm not gonna fix some things. I'm gonna fix the really, really damaged stuff. Now, I don't really know how to do roundabouts in real life, so I don't know how they really work. Hit the corner. Dang it. So, like, you know, I don't know if I'm supposed to be on the inner circle or the outer circle, so. They did add some new sounds to the game, which, like, see, hear that? Yeah. That's new. I've never heard that one before. Here we go. Alright, so I'm gonna fix my truck here. Alright, stop. As you guys can see, I am a little bit of a reckless driver, so what needs replacing? Get rid of all of it. I'm gonna replace that. We'll fix that. Must be $6,000. I'm gonna have to keep it at that. Sadly, I can't spend anything else. It's down a little bit. What is it at? F7, 35%. That didn't change anything. Alright, let me park the truck up here.